going to the goods yard tonight.
Ni hao, Master Designers. Tonight we're gonna draw a peppion.
We'll look after them for you, Thomas.
From Yokai Watch 3.
Yes.
One of the rarest yokai that
Keep you nice and warm.
This is the hottest place in
I've
town.
ever got to befriend.
I don't know where you thought you were
And the wearer of the Yokai Watch has befriended as well. She has the ability to bring excitement to those that she spreads using her magic feathers, magic dust. She even gave me her medal. Thank you, Peppion. I love you. As a ticket of gratitude.
And we're guaranteeing that you'll be agreeing it's true. This is the hottest place in town. We'll warm you up when you're feeling down. We'll make a smile out of every frown.
Just take a look around at the joy we found.
This is the place you can have some fun. Where you can feel like a
Alright, to draw Peppion, we start with the eye.
sunshine and the sun. There's a light in our eyes we simply can't disguise. This is the hottest place in town.
Yeah.
Come in and come along for the riding. Shunting lovely ladle cars up the sidings. Rails so smooth that you'll be gliding along. And before you know it, you'll be joining us in our song. This is the hottest place in town.
There we are.
No other like it anywhere around. You'll be a king and you'll wear a crown.
I say.
What we're trying to say is that we hope you'll stay. This is the place you can shine like gold. Our jobs are cool, but we're never cold. We really think you could fit the mold. You'll be part of the team, you'll be living the dream. This is the hottest place in town. Come in and come along for the riding. Shunting lovely ladle cars up the sidings.
Rails so smooth that you'll be gliding along. And before
Here's your eyelashes.
you'll be joining us in our song.
This is the hottest place in town.
Yeah!
You warm me up when I'm feeling down. You'll make a smile out of every frown.
You've got it!
You know you're keeping it real when you're working with steel.
This is the place I can have some fun.
That's it, Thomas.
Where I can feel like number one. I've got more sunshine than the sun.
You're number one.
There's no looking back now, you're on the right track now.
This is the
hottest place in town.
There we are. There we are. Here's Peppion's feathers.
Going to the goods yard tonight. Uncouple those cars.
Leave them here in the yard. We'll look after them for you, Thomas. No problemo.
Yes, come on inside. We'll keep you nice and warm.
This is the hottest place in town. Yeah.
I don't know where you thought you were going, but here you are.
I don't know what you thought you were doing, but you've come so far. This is the place you were meant to be being.
These are the sights you were meant to be seeing.
We'll lift your thermostat up a degree or two.
And we're guaranteeing that you'll be agreeing it's true.
There we are.
This is the hottest place in town. We'll warm you up when you're feeling down. We'll make a smile out of
There we are. That is how you draw a peppion.
Take a look around at the
Beautiful,
jewelry
isn't she?
found.
This is the place you can have some fun.
That's what a butterfly should look
Where
like.
you can feel like a number one. We've
That's how
got
you
the
draw a
sunshine
peppion.
and the sun. There's a light in our
Anyhow,
eyes we simply can't disguise.
let me
This
know
is
in the
the
comments what new
hottest
yokai
place
you want me to
in
draw next. I'm always here, and I won't stop until they're all complete. Stegosaurus, see you later.
Yeah.
Good night.
Come in and come along for the riding. Shunting